If you're seeing a Hubspot error 405 method not allowed, or even a related access error while trying to load Hubspot pages, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can help resolve the issue quickly. This is a great first troubleshooting method because it covers the most common causes, including login session problems, VPN or proxy conflicts, browser cache issues, and extension interference. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, start by logging out of Hubspot completely. If you already have a session open, sign out, close the tab, and then sign back in again. A fresh login often clears temporary authentication problems and can immediately fix the error. If the issue is still there after logging back in, the next thing to check is whether you're using a VPN or proxy. These tools can sometimes trigger access problems in Hubspot, especially if Hubspot flags the connection as unusual. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy, and then refresh the page to see if the error disappears. If you're still getting the problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. Old or corrupted browser data can cause Hubspot to load incorrectly, or keep sending you the same error message even after the original issue is gone. After that, check your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Hubspot scripts, login flow, or page requests. To do this in Chrome, click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Turn off suspicious extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and automation add-ons. Then reload Hubspot and see if the issue is fixed. If it works after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. If the error still appears, try opening Hubspot in an Incognito window or a different browser altogether. This helps you test whether the issue is tied to your current browser profile. You can also try restarting your browser and your computer, then logging in one more time with a clean session. In many cases, one of these simple steps will solve the problem right away. The key is to work through them one by one so you can identify whether the issue is related to your login, your network, your cache, or your browser setup. Once Hubspot starts working again, it's a good idea to return any settings you changed only if everything is stable. For example, you can re-enable extensions one at a time and turn your VPN back on later if needed, just to make sure the error doesn't come back. So to recap, the fastest fix is to log out and log back in, disable VPN or proxy, clear your browser cache, and turn off browser extensions that may be causing conflicts. If this video helped you solve the Hubspot error 405 method not allowed issue or any related Hubspot access problem, please give the video a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.